What's up, guys? It's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Happy Wednesday. It is a nice sunny day today. I'm really excited about that. Well, it's been hot. It's always hot here in Florida, but the pollen has been very bad, and my son is suffering from it. So I'm like doing a trial and error on trying to see what allergy medicine is best for him. So far, Claritin is trash. At least for my son, it is. No, it doesn't work. So now we are trying Zyrtec, I think. So this is day 2 of Zyrtec or day 1. I don't know. I know I gave him some this morning. But anyways, I'm getting completely off topic. I am outside of Walmart to do an iBotta haul. So I can't remember if we get the weekend warrior bonuses on Wednesdays or on Thursdays. If we do get them on Wednesday, then I didn't get one. Of course, bonuses and rebates and all that stuff always vary by account, so I'm not tripping. But if we get them on Thursdays, then that would explain why I didn't get one today. Also too, I got myself a little camera. I'm excited, y'all. Look at me upgrading. So it's, as long as I've been recording and making YouTube videos, I've always used my phone. I'm using my phone right now. It gets the job done, you know. But I did get myself a camera. I didn't go all out. No, I didn't go all out. I'm still cheap. I didn't go all out, but I did get me a camera, and I was looking at the reviews, and it said that it's good, especially for like someone starting off. Even though I have been recording and stuff for about 3 years, a beginner friendly, gets the job done. Y'all know I don't do a lot of effects and stuff, so that camera, we're gonna put it to the test. But why I'm so excited about the camera is because there are videos I want to do, especially about rebate apps. I get so many questions about rebate apps, how to use it, you know, how to go through it, how to navigate through it. And it's kind of hard for me to show you guys because I want to do it while I'm talking to the camera and like have it up so y'all can see what I'm saying. But it's hard to do that if I'm recording I'm using my phone. Y'all get what I'm saying. Y'all get what I'm saying. But yeah, so I got me a little cheap camera. But I'm gonna put it to the test. Later down the line, I may buy me a better camera. But I have so many expenses with graduating. I bought my announcements and all that stuff, like my cap and gown. I have to get pictures. I'm doing pictures with me and my son. Oh my god, I'm so overwhelmed. I'm just talking to you guys. I need to get out this car. But yeah, let me know if you plan on doing any iBotta deals. Of course, if you're not signed up with iBotta, my referral link will be in the description box, and of course I will put like the referral code on the video throughout the video. Yeah, I think that's really it. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We are growing, y'all. Also, give the video a thumbs up if you like it. That lets me know like what type of videos you guys like based on likes. As well as if you have any comments, drop them down below. So with my camera, I think I'm gonna do an iBotta, like navigating how does iBotta work, what to do, how to find rebates, how to look up store, all that. I think I'm gonna do that. So be on the lookout. I think I'm gonna try to upload that by the end of this week. So I don't know, your girl's doing something. But yeah, let's get inside and do some deals. Also, I got my little Panera drink with that little free Panera drink thing. I got that going on. I like this drink. But all right, guys, let's head inside and do some deals. All right, you guys, so we're gonna kick it off in the travel and trial section, and we're gonna pick up these 2 Febreze fabric to go sprays. They are regular priced at $1.97. 2 of them will total out to $3.94, but then you're gonna submit to iBotta, getting back $3.30 for buying 2. Makes them 64 cents for both, or just 32 cents each, which is not bad at all. So let me put these into my cart. Another easy rebate is on this Scope mouthwash, priced at $1.97. iBotta's gonna give back $1, making this just 97 cents, which is perfect because I have some trips coming up soon. So let me put this into my cart. Now this next deal isn't iBotta, is actually a Shopkick deal, but we're gonna pick up this travel size deodorant spray priced at $2.47. Submit to Shopkick, getting back 700 kicks, which is equivalent to $2.80, making this a 33-cent moneymaker. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the women's spray because it has its own 700 Shopkick thing too. So both of these will be 33-cent moneymakers. Another Shopkick moneymaker deal is going to be on this Gillette deodorant, priced at $1.97. Shopkick is going to give back 550 kicks, which is $2.20, making this a 23-cent moneymaker. Now let's pick up some cheap Axe Fine products. First, we're going to pick up the body wash, regular price at $5.97. iBotta's going to give back $3, and then I'm also going to submit to Shopkick, where Shopkick will give me 520 kicks, which is equivalent to $2.08, making the final cost just 89 cents for this. And then for the 20 kicks, make sure you're scanning in the store to get that, because it won't pop up on the receipt. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing for the Axe, the deodorant sticks, also priced at $5.97. iBotta's going to give back $3 because it's a limit of 5, so I'm just going to make sure all these on the same receipt. So I'm going to get back $3 from iBotta, and then on Shopkick, there's another different rebate, giving the 520 kicks, so this will be 89 cents. Yeah, so just 89 cents, and this is good. They always try to do this on new products, and the same thing I'm going to scan in the store for the 20 kicks. And then I'm also looking through my iBotta and Shopkick, and I see that there's another one for the body spray. So I scanned it in the Walmart app, and the body spray is actually $6.88. So I'm gonna pick this up. So there's the price right there. Again, since the limit is more than 3 on iBotta, I'm gonna get another $3 from iBotta. And then Shopkick is giving 670 kicks, which is $2.68, making the final cost for this just $1.20. Not bad. So if you want to do a matching set, get all 3 of them the same scent, that'll be a nice little gift basket if you're into that, or little stuff like that. I'm gonna pick up these cheap poise pads. So it's gonna be this one priced at $5.46. iBotta's gonna give me back $3, and then I'm also gonna submit to coupons.com app, getting back $1.50, making its final cost just 96 cents. Now check fetch, because some people have a 2,000 point rebate, so this can actually be a $1 moneymaker for you, but for me it's just gonna be 96 cents, which I don't think is bad when it was normally almost $6. You can also pick you up some cheap Dove body wash. So of course the Dove body wash is priced at $6.97. Check your stores. At a lot of stores there are $2 pillies on the products. There's none here at this store, but I have picked up some pillies and hang tags from other stores, so that would drop it down to $4.97, and then submit to iBotta, getting back $3, makes the final cost $1.97, which is not bad. But the deal can be even better if you have these BOGO coupons right here, which makes the man body wash free. So that's what I'm gonna do, which is, the math's still gonna be the same, except for instead of it being $1.97 for 1, it will be $1.97 for 2. So I'm actually gonna do this deal 3 times. So I'm gonna pick up 3 of the men body wash, of course, and 3 of the women. Now here, I know at Walgreens this BOGO coupon works on the Clean Comfort, so I'm gonna play it safe. I don't know, I'm gonna get 3 of the Clean Comfort for the men, and I guess it doesn't matter for the women. But let me get my 6 bottles of Dove body wash and put them all in my cart. I'm gonna pick up these Firewalk hot and spicy noodles. Now don't judge me, y'all, but I think one time we had the rebate and it was given back, either made it free or a really good deal. And I tried them and I actually liked them, so I'm gonna do it again. I have a rebate, so I'm gonna pick up the shrimp kind, priced at $1.54. iBotta's gonna give me back 75 cents, making it just 79 cents. Since it is a limit of 2, I'm gonna pick up 2 of them and put them in my cart. But if you don't like spicy, don't pick these up at all. Now, of course, you always want to scan your items in the iBotta app just to make sure the rebates are popping up. So if those Febreze travel things are not popping up, you can go with the actual sprays priced at $3.24. Remember, you're going to get back $3.30 from iBotta, which will make 2 of them $3.18, or just $1.59 each. I'm also going to pick up one of these Febreze Unstoppable, the fabric sprays. I'm going to go with this one priced at $4.94. iBotta's going to give me back $3, making the final cost just $1.94. Again, scan your stuff, guys, because when I scan these over here, they're not attaching to that rebate. They're actually attaching to the $3.30 Febreze spray rebate, and no, I'm not picking up 2 of those. So pick up this one, get back $3, and makes it under $2. So this next deal isn't a rebate, I just kind of want it. So it's the Airwick, the Vibrant. You guys know these are like new scents or new things that they have. They have this one as well as this peach one. So I already have the peach one. It's priced at $6.48. It's okay. I have some people that actually like this scent, so why not? But I smell this one and I kind of like it. It is 50 cents more though, so I don't know. But it's priced at $6.98. I'm gonna use this $4 paper coupon, which will make it $2.98. If you don't have a paper coupon, you can also just buy it and submit it to the coupons.com app for $4. I don't know. It's not a need, so I might just go with this one since it is 50 cents cheaper, but I don't know. I do know. I'm going to go with the cheaper one. And then here's a nice Airwick freebie, and it is on the starter kit. Now it says it's $10.97, but it's actually $11.97, so you might as well say it's $12. I'm going to use this $6 paper coupon, and then I'm also going to submit to iBotta, getting back $6, making it a freebie. I checked on this product in the app. It doesn't state that I can't use a coupon, so I'm good to go to get back my $6 from iBotta. But if you don't have the paper coupon, you can also submit to coupons.com app for $6, so it'll still be a freebie. But I've already used that, so I no longer have it on my account. So let me pick up this freebie. I'm gonna pick up some cheap power wash, because we do have a $3.99 iBotta rebate when you buy 2. So of course the cheapest thing to pick up would be the refills. So you can go with these right here, priced at $3.94. We also have the free and clear that are a little cheaper at $3.78. And then of course the cheapest thing to pick up will be the game ones right here, priced at $3.44. This is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of them, pay $6.88, get back to $3.99 for my iBotta, make some $2.89 for 2, or just $1.44 or $1.45 each. So I'm gonna pick them. So let me put these up and put them in my cart. Now this deal I'm not doing because my iBotta rebate sucked, but you may have a better rebate, and it's on the Persil. So of course the liquid is $5.97. They went up on this. If you don't want this one, you can go with the disc that's priced at $5.44. We do have $2 coupons, so you can go from coupons.com app if they're still available, or you could just use the actual one from the insert, and then submit to iBotta. I only have a 50-cent rebate, so but some people have $1, some even have $2. So this can be really cheap depending on your iBotta rebate. But I'll do this only if I get a bonus tomorrow. Another rebate I'm passing on is on the Snuggle fabric softener, priced at $4.77. So you pick one up at $4.77. We do have a $1.50 paper coupon right here that you can use and then submit to iBotta. I have a $1 rebate, but I've seen some people with $2 rebates, so it really just depends. But if this is something you use anyways, the $1 plus this $1.50 coupon is not bad for this product. And then remember, this $1.50 paper coupon also works on the dryer sheets right here, which is the 40 count, price at $1.97. So it'll be just 47 cents. This is actually the last thing I'm picking up today. Alright, you guys, so here is a recap of everything I'm picking up. I picked up so much stuff. Again, not working with a bonus, just doing the rebates from both iBotta and Shopkick. If you're not signed up with either one, of course, you guys already know to check the description box for the link. You can click on it and it'll take you straight to it. And there are little sign up bonuses when you do submit your first receipt. I'm going to head up to the front, check out, and then of course, after everything is said and done, I'll be back to talk about final numbers and how everything went. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I'm back in the car. Let's go over these receipts. I did have to separate them into 2 different transactions. Reason being, my coupons didn't scan. Well, the $6 for the Airwick and then my BOGO coupons for the Dove. One of the cashiers said that, well, if a coupon's over $5, you need to go to customer service. I never heard that before, but I just went. But the coupons I had trouble over there too, but they did push them through. So for the first transaction is everything but those. So you will see them on here, but then at the bottom you will see the voids. So this is everything that I picked up. And then, like I said, here are the voided items. So the Airwick starter kit, and then the 6 Doves. So the subtotal for this transaction costs $54.95. So I still submitted this receipt to iBotta, and I got back, I got back a total of $23.39 from iBotta. I did submit to coupons.com for the poise, got back my $1.50. I submitted to Fetch too, just because you just never know. And they did count the Dove items, even though they're voided. They actually counted them twice. So I got back, I'm gonna pop it on the screen, but I think like a little over 1,100 points from Fetch because of the Dove being on here technically twice with the voids. And then I think the Axe was also, I just got a lot of little points from all these items. So it did total out a little over 1,100 points. And then I submitted to Shopkick. Oh yeah, I messed up. Hold on. So when I submitted to iBotta, everything that I was expecting to get did pop up. The only issue was for the Axe, the body spray, the one that's $6.88. Apparently I got the wrong one. And it's my fault. I should have scanned the item. This is the only one out of the 3X that I didn't scan in the store. And the $3 rebate did not pop up for that one. Instead, there was a different $1.50 for just regular X that popped up. So I missed out $1.50. So then the same thing for Shopkick. When I submitted this receipt to Shopkick, I'm still waiting. It says I'm waiting. So hopefully by the time I upload this, I will actually pop up what's on this, like if they credited me for everything. But I am waiting for 3,600 points, which is $14.40. So they better not play with me because that's a lot of money. But yeah, when I scanned the item in Shopkick for the body spray, it said that it wasn't recognizing the item. But I didn't really think anything about it because sometimes it does the same thing for the travel size. So the travel size body spray and deodorant and all that stuff, it will say that when I scan it in the app, because of course it's not going to give you scan kicks. But when you submit your receipt, it definitely gives it to you. I get travel stuff all the time from Shopkick. But right now, like I said, I am waiting for them. They're processing it. But if they don't give it to me for that product, I'm just going to put in a ticket. And then anytime I've had a ticket, like I had to put in a ticket, they got back with me pretty quickly and they credited me the points. So, but as of now, it's not on my account. But yeah, so that's this one. And then let me show you the second receipt for the Dove and the Airwick. So then here is that second receipt for, like I said, the Airwick and then the 6 Doves. So you can see all the products. They did push them through because they wasn't just going through when they scanned it, but the manager just, of course, she read the coupon, but I wasn't doing anything crazy. So she did push it through. So the subtotal for this one dropped down to $26.89. And then I submitted to iBotta and I got back $15.10 from iBotta. So for this and I submitted to Fetch and I got like 420 points. So if I was just talking about this transaction itself, this transaction will cost $11.79, which isn't bad because that's like the price of the Airwick. It's cheaper than the Airwick getting that, and it's like I'm getting 6 Dove body washes for free if you want to look at it like that, but not bad at all. Now, as far as final numbers go for these two transactions did cost me $81.84, getting back a total of $38.49 from iBotta, $1.50 from coupons.com, and then a total of 1,550 points from Fetch, which is, I did the math because, you know, now it used to be every 1,000 points was $1, but now it's like every 1,120 points is $1 on Fetch. So from Fetch, I got back $1.38. So it made the cost $40.47. But again, I'm still waiting on $14.40 from Shopkick, which will make the final cost $26 for 24 items, or about $1.08 each, which isn't bad when you look at everything I got. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, if I wake up tomorrow and I get a bonus for weekend warrior bonus, I may slap myself because I have so many rebates that I could have waited and got that additional money. So if tomorrow you get one, or if you have one now, again, I don't remember which day you get it, I've given you a lot of different options of what you can do to score big, as well as, of course, if not reach your weekend warrior bonus, at least get close to it. But we'll see. If I do get one tomorrow, hopefully some of these will reset. A lot of the P&G rebates don't, but I don't know. I guess we'll see. But all right, you guys, so quick update with Shopkick. When they processed everything, they gave me $22.50. Everything was credited except for the Dove women deodorant spray and the Axe. So I kind of figured the Axe body spray was going to be rejected, but I did put a ticket in anyway because it doesn't specify about it. So I don't know, but I know if I don't get that, I definitely should get back the Dove spray because they credited my travel size men as well as the travel size Gillette. So I'm waiting, but they did credit me $22.50, which is $9. So that's what, a loss of $5.40, which will make my total as of now, my final cost, $31 for everything I picked up. Still not terrible considering everything I picked up, but I just need to let y'all know that that's the update as of now. Let me know how you feel about this haul, as well as let me know if you plan on doing any rebates at Walmart or anywhere else, and which one is your favorite deal. That's all I have. I love y'all, and until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.